Welcome to the Aegis Building Supplies Client Portal Hub, your secure, centralized dashboard for activating your account, reviewing quotations, signing documents digitally, tracking orders, and engaging in real-time chat support. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the setup process step by step, empowering you with the essential tools to navigate and use your account with confidence. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your inbox for the activation invite. As highlighted, spot the email from your Aegis sales representative. It should be located inside your inbox unread. Open this email, as this is how we will confirm your email address associated with your Aegis Building Supplies account. If you don't see it in your inbox, double-check your spam or junk folder in case your email provider mistakenly filtered our activation email into either location. After opening this email, as highlighted, underneath the greeting message from Aegis is an Activate Account button. Clicking on this purple activation button will securely redirect you to a new screen in order for you to create a login password, which finalizes your sign-up. Just remember, this activation email expires within 24 hours after it has been issued, so don't forget. For whatever reason, if you are unable to get to this activation process before the email expires, just simply contact your Aegis Building Supplies representative and have them reissue this activation email to you. This link opens the password creation page. Your email and name associated with your account will be automatically filled in. All that is required is choosing a strong personal password for your user account. The requirements for your password is simply a minimum of 8 characters. After entering your password into the first field, you will be required to enter in the exact password a second time as confirmation. Following this, click the blue Sign Up button and you'll be redirected and logged into your personal dashboard. Welcome to your personalized dashboard, which helps you stay organized and manage all the Aegis products you purchase for your projects. As labeled in the screenshot, numbered 1, your Orders module tracks sales orders across all your ongoing projects. The module labeled as number 2 is where you can find all your paid and unpaid invoices for each order. And located inside the Tasks module, labeled 3, is where project-specific requirements, project takeoffs, markups, bid submissions, and RFI discussions can be exchanged between you and your Aegis sales representative. In addition to the regular view of your user dashboard, oftentimes when logging into your Aegis account, you may see these blue notification bars as highlighted in the screenshot. These blue bars notify and appear as it flags action items like takeoff requests, new quotes, issued invoices, and other documents that may require your confirmation signature. The alternative form for these alerts are done through direct email notification. You can also access this notification list through your associated email address linked to your Aegis account. This will lead you to the same notification area and the list of documents that require your attention. In this example, after clicking the highlighted Accept and Sign Quotation button will bring you to the next screen to view a quotation requiring your review. If you are not already logged in to your Aegis account, you may be prompted to do so. When accessing a specific item on the notification list, as highlighted, this example lists a quote that your Aegis sales representative has submitted for your review and requires a confirmation signature before receiving your sales order. Click on a specific item listed to open its details. As we dive into this quote, the highlighted blue button, Accept and Sign, opens an eSign pop-up where you can add your signature to confirm the quotation after reviewing the details to ensure they meet your requirements. The highlighted area to the right includes your invoicing, shipping address, product specifications, total amount due, and the quote's payment terms. Whether it is this specific quote or any other documents you may be viewing. Scrolling down to the bottom, you'll find a section dedicated to real-time collaboration. This communication history section is a live commenting tool where you can discuss details before signing any documents, inquire about product changes, or any information related to the specified document. In this highlighted example, the comment history, is providing the client an archive of quotation updates, design and finishing request questions, and archive documentation attachments. As we go back to the quote, after clicking the Accept and Sign button, the eSign pop-up window will appear. The highlighted area labeled 1 will have your full name already auto-filled from your account details. The highlighted box labeled 2 offers 3 types of signature tool functions, with the first of such is auto-signing. Draw provides you a manual signature option by using your mouse or touchpad. Lastly is Load, giving you the option to upload your own signature image file of choice. Once you're satisfied with your signature, the highlighted blue button Accept and Sign labeled 3 will complete the signature verification. Once you confirm your signature on a document, you will see a thank you prompt at the top of the documents page when completed. For our example with this quote, after signing, this confirms that your signature has transformed the quote into a new sales order. At the bottom of the newly created sales order, you will see your confirmation signature confirming your order. Now with your new sales order set in place, we can move on to invoices. All right, let's review. So far, we have gone over the dashboard view and module functions, such as account activation and password creation, an overview of the dashboard modules, the notification alert bar, including notification emails, and how to locate, review, and eSign quotes for each project. The last few topics we will cover are revolving around invoicing. We'll cover how to locate and review invoices and how to pay for your invoices. Feel free to pause the video here, and if you need to grab a quick glass of water or stretch your legs, we'll continue from where we left off once you are ready. All right. I will bring us back to our dashboard of your Aegis account. There are 2 ways to locate and open your invoices. Highlighted in box 1. Any newly assigned invoices can be found on your notifications bar as previously explained, but now has an additional Pay Now button, which will bring you directly to the newly assigned invoice, which you can pay for immediately. As highlighted in box 2, you can access and view your entire list of invoices, where you can choose to select individual invoices to pay for. In this example, we'll follow the process of clicking and selecting the invoice module as highlighted in box 2, as this process will be new information and covered in more detail. We'll now go over the list of invoices within the invoice module. This will allow you to get familiar with the importance and key details of each column throughout this list. As highlighted in this example, we'll use the first invoice on this list. Each invoice number includes partial information from each one of your projects submitted to Aegis. The numbers 0028 underlined in yellow is the Aegis assigned project number. Underlined in blue, reading McDonald, would be the name of your specific project allocated to this invoice. Lastly, the purple underline is the overall invoice number which was issued to this project. In this case, Neuro 3 indicates the third overall invoice assigned to this project. Now, with the complicated part out of the way, let's talk about dates. I've highlighted 2 columns representing specific dates relevant to each invoice. Highlighting column 1 is the date in which the invoice was issued and received by your account, submitted by your Aegis representative. Highlighted in column 2 represents your final payment deadline assigned to the invoice. Keep in mind that making specific payment deadlines is very crucial, as Aegis always sets these due dates based on your project's construction schedule. We want to ensure that when the framers are about to start on your project, we want our windows to be ready to go on-site for installment. In this view, 2 key features stand out. The highlighted green area shows the amount due, along with the current payment status, and any overdue payments requiring immediate attention. The purple highlighted section allows you to sort your invoices by dates of which they were issued. In this view, there are 2 ways to pay your invoices. The highlighted purple button is Pay Overdue, which allows you to settle all overdue invoices with 1 click. If you'd like to pay specific invoices one at a time, each row has its own Pay Now button to do so. Now, let's open the first invoice on this list, the information available. In this view, there are 3 key features for handling your invoice. The highlighted green button takes you to the checkout window to make a payment for the invoice you're currently viewing. The highlighted purple button allows you to download this invoice in PDF format for your personal records. The highlighted yellow area shows all the invoice details. However, pay close attention to the smaller yellow boxes. These indicate payment due dates, specific to each down payment separately. When you select to pay for an invoice, you'll be taken to the credit card payment screen, where you can enter your payment details to finalize the transaction. Fill in your card number, expiration date, and security code, then hit the blue Pay button to confirm. After doing so, allow a few moments for the system to process your payment. Depending on your internet connection speed, this could take several seconds, and in rare cases up to 1 minute. In this video, we covered the basics on how to activate and log into your Aegis account, navigate your dashboard, and confirm quotations to generate sales orders. In terms of invoicing, you've now learned how to organize, identify, and finalize payments for your project's products. With that in mind, we welcome you to Aegis Building Supplies, where we are excited to provide you all the support for your project's procurement needs. My name is Gala, and I hope you found this video insightful. We'll be seeing you on site soon. Take care.